equity markets. The Nifty opened quite flat today, and after facing resistance at the daily upper Bollinger Band that is placed at 6870 odd levels, the Nifty broke down and it closed in the negative, down 58 points. Now some of the draggers in trade today were the Nifty heavyweights like the ITC, Reliance, ICICI Bank, and stocks like HDFC, M&M and Axis Bank and State Bank of India provided some support to the market. However, at the end of the day, the Nifty closed in the negative, down 58 points. The advance decline ratio was also negative with 603 advances to 896 declines. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has faced resistance at the daily upper Bollinger Band that is placed at 6870. Now today's high of 6870 becomes a crucial level for the Nifty to surpass. Now if 6870 on the upside is passed, then we will see further extension in price action, and as per the Elliott wave principle, we are in the last legs, we are in the final, that is wave 5 of this rally, which has started from the February lows of 5933. Crucial, today's closing has been in the negative, down 58 points, and so if the selling pressure continues in the next trading session, then the crucial support is placed at 6730. 6730 has been acting as a crucial 6730 is the 20-day simple moving average, and 20-day simple moving average has been holding quite well, and it has not breached even once. If we observe the charts from the lows of 5933, the entire rally, we can observe that the 20-day moving average has not been breached on the downside. So if the Nifty has to continue its rally on the upside, 6730, which is the 20-day simple moving average, has to hold, and if it breaks below that, then we might think of changing our short-term trend to down. Now on the hourly charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed below the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. However, it is trading above the crucial 20-day simple moving average, which is placed at 6730. Considering all these factors, we have kept our trend up as of now with a target of 6900 on the upside, with a reversal placed at 6665. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is held quite well today. Even if the Nifty traded in the negative, Bank Nifty closed in the positive territory today. We expect the rally in banking stocks to continue with the likes of Karnataka Bank, the small PSU banks like Karnataka Bank, Andhra Bank, Allahabad Bank. Observing these charts, we can see that one leg on the upside is pending, or one wave on the upside is pending. So we expect the rally in Bank Nifty to continue as well, and we have a positive bias on Bank Nifty. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 12,922 and 12,800 levels, and crucial resistances are placed at 13,328 and 13,500 on the upside. To summarize the entire day, if 6870 on the upside is surpassed, then we might see further upside in the Nifty in coming trading sessions, and 6730 is a crucial support for the Nifty in coming trading sessions. That's all for today. Thank you.